Good day everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be discussing more on the topic probability and we'll be focusing on theoretical probability. Theoretical probability is the probability calculated without the experiment being performed. That is, using only information that is known about the physical situation. Basically, in theoretical probability, we just use our probability formula to get our final answer. That's number of possible outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Now we are going to be treating some examples, and our first example says that two numbers are shooting at random from 1, 3, and 6. Find the probability that the sum of the two is not odd. Now in our solution, we are going to be doing the addition of all the numbers in a tabular form. We are looking for the sum of each of the numbers. So doing so, we get the table as shown on the screen. And the probability of not odd will be 1 minus the probability of the number being odd, which should be equals to 1 minus total number of odd number there is 4. That's 7979. That is 4 divided by our total possible outcome is 9. So it will be 1 minus 4 over 9, which should be equals to 5 over 9. The next question states that find the probability that a number selected at random from 41 to 56 is a multiple of 9. Now in our solution, listing the numbers, we get 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, and 56. And the total number will be equals to 16. Now the multiples of 9 among this number are 45 and 54. Hence the probability of getting a multiple of 9 will be equals to 2 divided by our total numbers, which is 16, which breaks down to 1 over 8. Our next question is from November 1992. It states that two fair die, each of 6 faces, numbered 1 to 6, are tossed once. Find the probability of getting a sum greater than 10. Now we are first going to be consulting our sum table, and when we do that, we get the diagram as shown on the screen. Now the number greater than 10 are 11, 11, and 12, which are 3 numbers, and our total outcome is 36 numbers. So the probability of sum greater than 10 will be equals to 3 divided by 36, which is equals to 1 over 12. We have another question from NATEB. It states that if two fair coins are tossed once, what is the probability that at least a head shows? Now the very first thing we are going to be doing is to construct our probability table for both coins. Doing that, we get the table as shown on the screen. Now the probability of at least a head is shown. We have 4 possible outcomes, that which is head, tail, and tail head. So which is 3 outcome with at least a head. So the probability of at least a head will be equals to head plus head, tail plus tail head divided by our total outcome, or our total sample space, which is 4. So our final answer will be equals to 3 over 4. We have another question from NECO. It states that two fair die are tossed. What is the probability of not getting a total of 8? Now our first step is to construct our addition table, and when we do that, we get the table as shown on the screen. Now the probability of not a total of 8 will be equals to 1 minus the probability of getting a total of 8. Now from our table, the number of outcomes that gives 8 is 5. That's we have 5, 8, and our total outcome is 36. Now the probability of getting 8 will be 5 over 36 rather. So therefore, the probability of getting a total of numbers not 8 will be equals to 1 minus 5 over 6, which is equals to 31 over 36. We have another question for NAPTEB. It states that a coin and a die are tossed up together once. What is the probability of a head and a 6 showing up? Now our very first step is to construct our probability table, and when we do that, we get the table as shown. Now the total sample size is 12, and the number of head and a 6 is 1, and the number of outcome that has a head and a 6 is 1. So the probability of a head and a 6 will be equals to 1 over 12. Here are some exercises for you to try your hands on at home. And for more insight on this topic, you can check out our Hidden Fact Further Mathematics textbook. You can get the hard copy in bookshop, or if you are interested in the soft copy, you can get it at the website on the bottom of the screen. Thank you.